What if you could reply to every DM and comment instantly without lifting a finger? In this video, we will walk you through Vista Social's inbox and DM automations feature and how you can use it to respond instantly across all your social and review channels. Earlier in this series, we have already connected our social profiles we want to manage. Now let's jump into automations from the dashboard. Before creating an automation, the first step is to define your goal. What do you want this automation to do? For instance, for customer service, you can respond instantly to common questions like shipping times, pricing, or business hours. For reputation management, you can automatically reply to reviews across platforms like Google and Facebook. And for lead generation, you can trigger automations when someone comments on a specific keyword like sale or link. Once you've defined your goal, the next step is setting up your trigger logic. This determines how the system knows when to act. You can use keyword matching for specific campaigns, or better, use AI intent to understand the context of a message. You can also control when your automation runs. Set it to run 24/7 so no message is missed, or schedule it for specific dates and times. Many teams use this for after-hours support, ensuring messages are still answered even when their team is offline. Sequence determines the order in which automations are executed. Exclusive mode means if your priority automation has already run, nothing else will. No duplicates, no conflicts. And once per user prevents the same automation from triggering repeatedly for the same person. Next, choose how your automation will respond once it's triggered. With dynamic AI replies, you can provide a custom prompt and generate unique, context-aware responses for every interaction. This keeps replies natural and helps avoid repetitive messaging. Alternatively, you can create static responses with multiple variations that rotate automatically. You can also combine multiple actions into a single workflow. For example, replying to a comment, sending a direct message, and notifying your team all at once. Once your actions are set, you can easily manage them. You can reorder, duplicate, or remove actions at any time to adjust your workflow. And that's it! Now you're ready to start building powerful DM and review automations with Vista Social. And if you want to take automations even further, our next video covers Ask Vista, Vista Social's built-in AI. See you there!